clearing natin. One, two, okay. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Push.
Bang! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Boom, jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boom, clear. Ito galingan. Dan, sopa, boom. Dan, boom. Dan, boom. Yeah, 1, 2, back. Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. Oh. Da. Oh. Back. Terus gusok na siya. Okay. 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 After that one, follow up na siya. Mga siya nito po sa plaka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Go. Oops. Double parry. Okay. 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 So we're okay. Let's say double parry. Okay. 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 So we're okay. Let's say again. Go. Oops. Double parry. Okay. 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 Start. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Strike. Up. Clearing. Striking. Very good. Hindi pa tayo na. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up it. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's one. One ups. 1, 2, 3. Emphasize the clearing and trapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. And strike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Just using us striking, but we're using like that. 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down. Don't push the way. Strike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pushing. 1 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You emphasize the kumuha like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos sa doon. Pag sa ganun ko, kumuha doon. Ang yung attack, himong track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Trap. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3. Strike. 4.
Down.
1.
Shoulder.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear. Up. 4. And you strike. And trap.